Hey, good morning everyone. Well, it's morning for us. I'm Faith, this is Clayton, and this is lovely Sal, and we want to wish you a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, you guys. Hopefully it's starting out great. I know for us it is.
Because today we are going to take the Lambo to its very first car meet. Its very first.
Unfortunately, it's a little cold out for Sal. His paws get a little cold, so he's gonna hold down the fort here at the shop. He's gonna put in a good day's work.
Yep, Sal, I expect a lot to get done while we're gone.
Along with bringing you guys with us to the Lamborghini's first car meet, we're actually gonna be doing a 2020 year-end review. We're gonna go through all the highlights from our channel, so stay tuned for that. We're actually very excited about that. 2020 really wasn't that bad.
I put a lot of work into this rewind, so I really hope you guys like it.
But we do need to go about an hour away to the car meet, so let's get going.
Also, guys, how does it look? It's freshly detailed, and we got the new wing on it, which I'm really excited about. Clayton, you're gonna get some sick rollers of me, right?
I'm gonna try.
Okay. Man, there's nothing like a V10 in the morning with a little side of check engine light.
Yeah, it's back on.
It's back on.
I don't think it's gonna be anything crazy, but you never know. All right, we made it. Is there any parking for us?
I hope so.
You guys, we just arrived to this Cars and Coffee, and there are way more people than we thought, and a lot of really cool cars. So we're gonna go enjoy the meet, talk to some fans, check out the cool cars, while you guys check out this awesome montage edited by yours truly of our highlights for the first half of this year.
Ready, set, start the pose.
Me 150. How you doing? All the way from London. We
are
back at the shop.
There's no going back now. Hop on in and gotta warm up for the track.
We are going to be installing our brand new full everything Fab Speed exhaust. I've been planning this for over a year. The Cayman is finally done. Well, version 1.
Got a skater boy.
Give a huge shout out to my buddy Aaron.
Fun news today. Sad news, fun news, exciting news. Someone put a deposit down on the Ferrari.
The purchase price includes a color change wrap.
I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I may or may not cry.
for you?
Can I get 2 originals?
You betcha. And did you want, can I get you any cheese dip to go with those?
Do you want cheese? Yes.
You're so welcome.
So those were our favorite memories of 2020, but they're not done yet. I'm gonna eat this pretzel while you guys enjoy the rest of it.
So welcome back to another video. We got Faith here and my Ford F350 that we just picked up. So we just purchased this 2014 Land Rover, Range Rover. We're out here on Lake Michigan with the Koenigsegg 1-to-1. We're in the beautiful state of Colorado.
Colorado. Okay, I was not expecting that. They have the car right out front. Oh my god.
And we're back to the car meet. Man, it was so fun going through all the footage while Faith was editing the video. 2020 really was not that bad. We had some great experiences, made some new friends, saw a lot of cool cars, and we had a great time.
Yeah, I can't complain.
I can't complain, and 2021 is gonna be amazing. But as you guys can see right behind us, everybody's pretty much leaving the car meet. We're one of the last ones here, and we gotta go back to work.
All right, Clayton, what was your favorite part of 2020?
My favorite part's probably when we installed the Fab Speed exhaust on the 430.
Really? That was pretty cool.
It was pretty sick. And then our trip to Hawaii was amazing.
Yes. Ooh.
And then also buying a Lamborghini was amazing.
Yeah, that was gonna be my pick.
So those.
Okay, I would definitely say buying the Lamborghini. My least favorite part was selling the Ferrari. I wish we could have had both, but what was your least favorite part?
Oh, my least favorite part of this year was when I learned that SEMA was canceled.
Yeah, that was a bummer actually, because we look forward to SEMA every year, going to Vegas, warm weather, seeing a bunch of cool cars.
We actually had some surprises planned for this year at SEMA, but I guess we're just going to push those off to next year at SEMA.
Yeah. We are going to rip the gyro to back up the Canyon to the shop. Let us know in the comments below what you want to see happen on our channel in 2021, because we're really curious and we love your ideas. But until then, we will see you in the next video.
Peace.